Steve Allen here, and we have the Badlands Offroad Jack, the 3-ton from Harbor Freight. I looked at that Eagle Jack, the off-road one, and I'm not spending $600 on a Jack when I already have a hydraulic jack. So the one I have though is just a garage model deal. Works awesome in the garage on concrete, but where we live out here in the country, that's kind of my driveway there. So it's not very good for wheeling out there. So this looks like it's going to be a lot more effective for me, and I'm excited to try it out. So let's I'm not going to do a big unboxing per se, but it's just, I guess it is an unboxing because I just got it, and we're going to take a look at how quickly this goes together. Hopefully pretty fast. I'll fast forward through the boring stuff, and that looks like a extension for the top of it. And what I'll do is just show it all going together, and then actually operational. So I'm just going to keep the camera going as I'm going through this whole thing. I'm sure there's instructions are on the top, and then we will put it into action. Really nicely made for sure. I actually had to wait about, I ordered it, when did I order it? Back in December, I think. I ordered it back in December, and I pre-ordered it so I could get it as soon as it came in. So it was a couple months now, and yeah, pretty heavy duty deal here. I like it. It looks good so far. Yeah, everything's really well finished. I'm gonna scratch it up pretty quick, I'm sure. So I'm not really too concerned about anything that's not perfectly finished. Some people get all fussy on stuff like that. Okay, that's great if you never use your stuff, but I use my stuff a lot, so I don't care whether it gets a scratch or whatever on it. But this looks like it's in great shape though. I like it. Let's see, I guess I'll look at the instructions just because I'm going to be underneath the truck. I want to make sure I put it together properly. But yeah, just first impressions, looks awesome. It's heavy duty. It's got a great shell on it. Finish looks really good. Safety valves, don't adjust. Imagine there's a part in here for disengage for lifting, transport use only. Okay. Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, that's for the jack arm there. Okay, great. So quickly, pretty basic looking instructions, not too shabby. Support base. Imagine this is going to go in here. Yeah, and there's a little indent in there. That looks like block. Oh yeah, a little set pin. And then okay, perfect. Okay, and that's just to, I think, lock it in. Take position. Okay, that's fine. And support base, ring strap. That's how I call the bolts for the wheels. Comes with a little wrench, that's good. Okay. So it's the saddle extension, I'm guessing. Okay. So this goes on here. So these little holes here line up, it looks like. So this would be the normal height if you're not using it as in a lifted format here. And then these threaded screws here obviously are going to go in those little holes. It looks like they just tighten up. I don't think if on the Forerunner I would probably have to use it. On the Tundra it's not really lifted yet, so I'll put them in anyways. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Yes, there's a, I don't see a pin for it. These bolts all look like they're for the wheels. There's the pin. It was in my hand. Okay, so yeah, different heights. Let's just put it on the lowest one here. So that's the one first. There we go. Then the washer, then the lock nut. Got a big Allen key here for tightening these guys, so that's good. Included right in the deal. I imagine this is to go on here somewhere. It does give us a couple little set screws here. So I would imagine these go in this stuff here. They tap into something, but I'm not sure. They do line up with two screws that are down in here. So these lines up with those two holes there. Oh, and that, so this is obviously where this goes, because that hole is perfectly in there. So this, if I don't want this tightened on here, fits into here. That's right. Okay, that makes sense. So let's put that into place. Didn't say that anywhere, however. Although, what did it say? Installing the strap ring storing saddle extension. I guess if I just read it properly, that would have made sense. So typical. So if you're watching that video and you're yelling, dude, it's the extension storage thing. Allen key for those. Then, yeah, I don't know what that's for. I can't see anything for this. It's nice that it's there though. Oh, dummy. Okay, there we go. So I guess everything is included. They're all set. So let's jack this up and see how it works. Not sure how much it weighs. It's not light, which is good. That's how it rolls on this my driveway. Oh, dude, so much nicer than the others. Right on, I like it. Gonna work good. Let me get some blocks for that front wheel. Nice. I like it. So there's the Harbor Freight Badlands. Is it Apex? I think it's probably Apex. No, probably just Badlands 3-ton off-road jack. I like it. I think it's a great deal. $300. I'm gonna get some awesome use out of this 3-ton, which is more than I need for most applications, I believe. So far, I recommend it. Okay, here's a great new test for the jack. Jack that or find out. Okay, we're good. So we've got it on the lowest setting there with the extension. So it looks like I've got another I think the bottom comes to here. So I think I got another 1.5 inches there that I can push this up. So that looks like it's good. I got lots of height there. Pretty happy with this jack so far.